Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make pizza golgappa. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So first, in a bowl, we'll add chopped tomatoes. Then we add chopped capsicum, chopped onion, grated cheese cube, and pizza sauce. Mix all of this together and our batter is ready. Now grease a baking tray or an oven-safe bowl with oil. Make a hole in the golgappa using your thumb like this. Repeat the process with as many golgappas as you can fit. Now we'll add the vegetable mixture in each golgappa. Add mozzarella cheese on top. You can add as much as you like. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 11 minutes or till the cheese melts. And serve it hot. Voila! Pizza Golgappa is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.